ice cream on your face. Hey YouTube, I'm Tana Brene, and if you don't know, now you know that I do a little bit of gel X makeup, and I'm going to be doing home improvement, so like, you know, small vlogs at home. I stay at home a lot, so I said let me take advantage. I'm going to be doing a home tour of my low-income apartment that I applied for here in Dallas. I want to just say thank you guys so much for giving me this opportunity because, you know, I was worn down and torn down, and I just needed something new, just a breath of fresh air, and that is what I received. So I fed up for public housing because I just, wanted a fresh start and just something new. I was offered a 2-bedroom, but what I did was I applied for public housing. I did an application in June. I did an application of June in 2023, and they emailed me July of 2024 saying, congratulations, I was picked in a random lottery. So I packed up my stuff. First, before I packed up my stuff, I came to see the place like a week after that. I did a walkthrough. We drove down, did a road trip, me and my mom and my daughter. We did a walkthrough. The place was, decent. I saw the potential that it had. So I said to myself, I'm gonna take it. So I paid my deposit, and I came back. I paid my application fee. And then I put my transfer of work in for work, and I was able to move in on August the 9th, which was my oldest little birthday. So it was a lot going on when I first moved in. I've been here for about 7 months now. It'll be 7 months tomorrow. Today is March the 8th. So it'll be 7 months tomorrow that I've been in Dallas. And it's been cool. I like it. I do. I have not gotten out much to see, but I've been loving the Southern hospitality, and everybody has been so welcoming and so warm. So thank you for that. If you are looking to start over, girl, do it. I left my house with nothing but the clothes on my back, TVs, all my stuff to create content, my makeup, my Cricut, and I was gone. Okay? I just was like, I'm gonna start fresh. I'm starting clean slate, so give me everything new. So let me show you guys my home tour of 2025. I'm so excited for this opportunity. So yeah, let's check me out. Okay, if you hear a kid upstairs, this week or her, I have a 7-year-old that's busy, of course. So this is my front door. Nothing much to see here, but they just made me a peephole a while ago because I did not have a peephole for a minute. So yeah, you can only imagine the anxiety that I get when somebody would knock. But yeah, so they made me a peephole. These are my stairs that lead to upstairs. But before I show you upstairs, I'm gonna cover downstairs. It's kind of small, so it's not like a whole lot, but it's enough. I love the fact that I do have tall ceilings, but yeah. Okay, so this is the living room area. I still have a few boxes that we have to go through with everything, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do like my couch this way, or maybe up against here. I'm gonna probably put my couch up against here, even though I have a neighbor from hell that blasts the radio all day. She got her TV mounted up against this wall, which is up against my wall, but a different story for a different day. So yeah, this is my living room area. So I'll have my throw rug here, my curtains. Yeah, so of course it's still empty, but this is where I'll be putting my dining room table. So from on this side, we have the back wall here. It's pretty spacious in here, honestly. It's pretty spacey. Let me get back in the corner so y'all really can see. So it's pretty spacious. And I'm gonna do bar stools up against here. So I really only want to put 2 bar stools. My friend said I should do 4. So I'm gonna get 4 bar stools here because I don't really have a lot of company. I don't want to like overdo it with stuff because I'm new here. I don't really have a lot of friends, so I don't have a house full of people, so I am a person who's a real introvert. So I'm just gonna make my home as cozy as I can. I do love the floors. The ceilings are pretty tall. They're pretty tall ceilings. We have a ceiling fan, a little light. And of course, back there is my kitchen. So just a regular bathroom, nothing fancy. Just a, countertop, drawers, and cabinets. We have a big mirror. Hi. We have our toilet, and there's a utility closet here. I have my three-way mirror on the door so I can do my hair. So nothing much to really see here in the kitchen. We just have regular white stove. I have my microwave. I have my Ninja air fryer. I got some chicken. I'm gonna fry some chicken today. I have my blender, so I'm definitely gonna be trying to do some Chipotle bowls and things like that. We also have a dishwasher that I never use. And on this side, we have a regular white refrigerator. We got some food in the freezer, some food in there. My light went out in my fridge, but we have food in the fridge as well. And then on this side of the kitchen, I just keep my trash over here with my little mop, with my mop bucket. And we have another closet for the food. Just some snacks in here. Hamster food in here, his little food, his bedding, and some little snacks, some little knickknacks, whatnot. So I am going to be doing some updates to the kitchen. I want to change down to some different countertops. So I do have some peel and stick coming, but we have plenty of cabinet space. Plenty of cabinet space. Like if they didn't do nothing, they put some cabinets in here. We have our little island. We got the candle going. One thing I do love about down here is the big window. There's a huge window downstairs, so I just can't wait to do my curtains and just have them draped so pretty. So here are the flights of steps all the way to the top. So here we have a little candle lit again. So it's like a little hallway that connects from my bedroom door to my daughter's door. A story about the washing machine. My washing machine went out 2 months after I was here, so I have not had a washing machine, but I'm gonna show you guys the laundry room anyway. All right, so this is my laundry room. Okay, so we got a few towels up here, some sheets that's on up there. We have a dryer that does work. Washing machine, not so much. But it does come with washing machine and dryer. So from the washing machine, this leads the hallway to my bedroom. Let me show you guys my room. Okay, so coming into my room, we still a work in progress. I don't really have much because I wanted to make sure that my daughter had everything she needed first. I want to make sure that my child had everything she needed before I just, made myself comfortable. I'm just that type of mom where I would rather for my kids to be more comfortable than me. But here we have the TV. It's still a little niggery, but it's okay. We have my nail station here. It's where I make my content at. And we just have a bed. So we have ceiling fan, and then we just have a bed. We just have a full-size bed, nothing too big, nothing too small. And then I have 2 windows, so I still have to give me some curtains to go up here. And this side of the room, we have a closet that I'm not going to show because it's hideous on the inside. And on this side of the room, this is where I have my canister, so like my clothes, underwear, t-shirts, all of that stuff. So I have my clothes, my underwear, my t-shirts, all of my stuff in here. I'm going to be getting my furniture soon, so just stay with me. And then here is where I have my own little sink. Just a shower. Basic shower, but it's pretty clean. I need to wash my towels, so get my towels and stuff back in here. This side we have cabinet space with the toilet. And the other bathroom door leads to my daughter's room. So let me show you guys that. So this is her door organizer. Clearly we're still getting things organized in here, but y'all get the point. So again, same bathroom, countertop. I will be changing her countertop out too for something different. So yeah, 2 mirrors, medicine cabinet. We got a pink little lamp. yeah, so this is how that looks in the bathroom. And here we have Miss Breon's room. This is my daughter's room. We have her desk here, of course. We have her computer with her keyboard and her. We have her computer, her keyboard, her mouse pad, and her computer desk. So yeah, that's the computer. That's the computer desk. Yeah, so we have LED lights on one side of the room. Somehow the other ones went out, so I didn't put them back together. So yeah, I got her. So yeah, I wanted to make her comfortable before I made myself comfortable. I know how to survive with a little bit of nothing. So, you know, we have her jacket hanger here, her clothing hanger. So I know how to survive. So, you know, I was good. I'm like, let me make sure I get my daughter's stuff together, if anything, because, you know, that's what it's all about, her experience. So here I hung up a bed canopy. So she got her canopy hanging over her bed with the little hamster cage. We have Prince who's hiding. And she has her cute little curtains with a clock, a Hello Kitty clock. We have the curtains on this side as well. We have a pretty size rug in the front of our bed. And we just have a little dresser with some LED lights here and her TV. And then we also have a closet. It's just clothes, shoes in there. Nothing much to see. But yeah, so this is my home. Let me cut off the light so y'all really can see her vibe. So this is Breon's room. It's a vibe in here. She be vibing out. Hey.
I'm about to turn 8.
Hey.
I'm about to turn 8.
Hey. 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 Okay, so this is Ani.
My real name is Breon.
And I hope that you guys enjoyed the home tour. I hope that you guys enjoy our home tour. It is becoming, so we're going to be putting a few things together, making it home. So thanks for
Today, right now.
So thanks for spending time with us. And I guess in the second video, you guys will see us putting some stuff together and trying to get it going. But bye for now. Be well. I'm sure they have. Tell them, like, comment, and subscribe.
Share, and subscribe. Subscribe is always nice.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Mwah.